Once upon a time, there was a depressed, plump person.
The kind, plump person was depressed, and no one really cared. The other plump people just walked by. A Meyer babe who wanted to love out loud was walking by as well. The Meyer babe saw the depressed, kind, plump person and wanted to cheer him up. They had a long, lingering, loving hug. And then they had a great idea to go and hug other people as well.
Nothing you can do can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Nothing you can say, you can learn how to play the game. Nothing you can make that can't be made. No one can say that can't be saved.